Hey, Catherine, I'm going to look at number 4 from the lab. Okay, so it says the Olympics have been held a total of 21 times in North America, Europe, and Asia. So you can see we have 3 variables, North America, Europe, Asia. The way I like to do it is I make my variables kind of look like what they are. So North America I have an N, Europe I would have an E, and Asia I have an A. That keeps me from getting confused. If I would have did this as A, B, and C, later on the road I would have to figure out, okay, which one was C. So I just let them be N, E, and A. So the Olympics have been held in these 3 sites a total of 21 times. So equals 21. Pretty sure you had this one. Okay. The trick is, if I have 3 variables, I have to come up with 3 different equations. So right now I have one equation. All right. The next sentence says the number of North American sites is 5 more than Europe and Asia. So this one right here is going to be the toughest one. I'm comparing North America to Europe and Asia. And you want to think of this as balancing the equation. All right, so I have North America and I'm comparing it to Europe and Asia. So I have a plus in between. All right, so now we have to figure out what to do with the 5. So it says North America has 5 more than Europe and Asia. So 5 more means we're going to do a plus 5. But the trick is we don't want to think of the 5 with the North America because we're trying to balance the equation. So if North America is 5 more than these, if I want to balance this side, I would have to add 5 to this side. All right. So instead of thinking of it as coming up with equations, think of it as balancing equations. So if this one was 5 more, I would have to add 5 to this side. All right. My last one says there are 4 more sites in Europe than Asia. So I'm comparing Europe to Asia. All right. It says there are 4 more in Europe. I keep moving the camera, sorry. It says there are 4 more in Europe than Asia. So this side has 4 more. So if I want to balance the equation, I need to add 4 to this side. So that would be my 3 equations. Now I just have to figure out how to write them in order. So I'm going to keep the order of the first one. All right. So it would be N plus E plus A equals 21. Okay, so I want to keep the order NEA. So I need to move my E and my A over for my second equation. So when I do that, the E and A become negative. So it's going to be N minus E minus A equals 5. And the last one, I need to move the A over. And notice I don't have an N. So my last equation would be 0N plus E minus A equals 4. Okay, number 8 on the lab would be done in a similar way. I'm going to leave that one for you to try on your own, but I hope this helps.